In this marketing video, we highlight a ear, nose, and throat practice in the Frederick, Maryland area. They specialize in dealing with sinus issues in patients, and they've revolutionized the balloon sinuplasty procedure in a way that the practice gives them options of having all of their imaging and diagnostic on site, and the procedure is performed in the office, and patients are getting great results from this procedure. And we want to highlight in this video that this practice has provided all of these services in one place, and it's a great place to come if you're having sinus issues. It's a minimally invasive procedure, and you can get it done right in the office, and it's working for a lot of people, and it can work for you too.
Some of the reasons why we're sought out as otolaryngologists with experts in sinus pathology are symptoms of nasal obstruction, postnasal drip, runny nose, olfactory loss or smell loss, nosebleeds, fractured noses, cosmetic and functional complaints, snoring, and also those who want to minimize their antibiotic and medical management. Those don't want to be on numerous courses of antibiotics for recurrent infections that would lead to bacterial resistance. Sinus pathology is super prevalent. About 60%, I would estimate, of otolaryngology patients have some kind of sinonasal pathology or symptom. It's super prevalent in the patients we see, and our particular practice has kind of revolutionized how we provide sinus care. Prior to a couple years ago, the standard of care was couple visits, rather inconvenient, going to get a CT scan at a separate place, including other diagnostics, and then having a classic general anesthesia procedure. However, with our business, we've streamlined that, and we provide diagnostic imaging on site. And if they meet certain criteria for surgical intervention to augment medical therapy, which sometimes is the case, we provide on-site, minimally invasive surgical options, which allow patients to recover quicker, is a big patient satisfier, is much more efficient, and quicker downtime. During the procedure, we use topical and local anesthesia to make this essentially pain-free and extremely tolerable. Then we will use our equipment to widen the anatomic openings to the sinuses, effectively improving aeration and ultimate sinonasal health.
Well, I have suffered for a long time with sinus, making sure I had pills to dry it up, and coughing in places that, movies or plays, or, I always had to sit in a place where I could get out easy if I were coughing. And I have learned that Dr. Open has a great background in this operation, and even though it's fairly new, he certainly has had plenty of pleased customers like me. And the staff has been very nice, calling the night before, and what do I need, and so on. That they have the CT scan right here. They have everything that I would require with an operation right here, and everything could be done, and I didn't have to go all over the place, and I was really thrilled about that. I feel great. It is really working. I am thrilled.
Our services have revolutionized sinus surgery in the Frederick area. We have everything that you need here, including the imaging, diagnostics, therapeutics, all in the same location. We have helped so many people in the Frederick and DMV area that we'd love to see your family members too. I feel like we can help you with your sinonasal health.